Hello everyone, so I'm back here with the new command. So today I will use the new command, that is pocket. So how can we use the pocket in CATIA? Let's see this one. So first I will draw a profile. Suppose I'm making a profile like this one. Something like this one I created over there. So let's make it extrude. So the pad at 750. Okay. So now I'm sketching over here and I'm making a circle over here. So now I want to create a hole or all this part. So let's click this one. This is a pocket. Click on the pocket. So this is a pocket command is same like the pad command. Okay, so this is a pad command is same like the pad command, but instead of adding the material, it will remove the material. So here let's select the body, that sketch, and that is the tab that is defined as 50 mm. Okay, so as you can see, that is 50 mm is it is making the hole of 50 mm. Click on the preview. So I think it is clear that makes a hole of 50 mm. Okay, so if you want it another direction, like I'm clicking it, okay. Okay, let's double click on this hole. If you want that hole in reverse direction, click on the reverse direction. Okay, so if you want to add the thickness, you can add it to, like, suppose I'm adding it to 60. Click on the preview, so it will create a hole of 60 mm distance. Click OK. So like this it will be created over here. So now we want the first one is the dimension case. Okay, let's say I'm wanting up to next. Okay, up to next means up to which hole it is created. Means up to the first part which it find on its on its path. Okay, it will create the hole up to next. Click on the view, next. So you can see only this is created, but not this one. Okay, so that is up to next. Let's say I'm selecting it up to last fit till here. Click on the preview. See, all the faces will be cut it. Okay, so you can define the outside distance, if there be any outside part is here, then you can define the outside distance. Like suppose I'm defining up to next. Click on the preview. Okay, so it is connecting until here. Now I want to define 60 mm outside distance. Okay, so as you can see, till 60 mm it will make the hole. Okay, 60 mm from here to this distance, whole distance. Now we have the up to last, that is done. We have the up to plane. Up to plane, suppose I want the hole up to this plane. Okay, offset I'm creating it. Click in the preview. So as you can see, that is not crossing this, but it is creating up to that selected plane. So that is a up to plane option we can use. Double clicking over it again. Now last one is up to surface. You can select any surface if the surface part is available, or you can select the face also. Click on the preview and okay. So in this way you can create the hole. Double click it over. Now we are having the other option, that is thick profile. So let's click on the thick. Okay, so in this the thick hole will be generated. So let's click on the preview and make it up to next. Click on the preview and okay. So that is a thick profile is created. As you can see, this is a thick profile. So double clicking it again, or you can double click it from here also. Okay, so you can define the thickness values, like thickness 1, suppose I want to define it up to 6 mm. So, and thickness 2 want to define it up to 4 mm. So in this way you can define this one also. Okay, so same way you can define the normal to profile. Okay, so I hope this one is clear. Okay, let's say I'm checking this one, and click on the preview. Let's say I'm defining to dimension. Okay, we have to mirror extend, and the both side it will be equally distributed. But if you don't want the mirror, you want the other side as whatever you want, the same option will be available up to next, up to last, up to plane, and up to surface. And the depth you can define, suppose you want to define 20 mm, click on the preview. So up to 20 mm it will be cut it over there. Okay, so let's select this face and sketching over here, and I'm creating a line over here, something like this one. Okay, now deleting this pocket. I don't want to create arrange element, so click on the pocket, select the hole. Okay, so now more normal to profile, I want to select this line. So the hole will be created parallel to this line, as you can see. So you can click it up to last, next also. So in this way you can see that is a normal to profile option, that how can we use a normal to profile. So I hope that is clear. That so let's move to the other option, that is neutral fiber and merchant. So let's check it. So suppose I'm selecting this face and sketching over here. Okay, suppose I created a line something like this one. Now I want a cut from this line, click on the pocket. So as it is already implied that it will cut this portion, but I don't want, I want the thick profile option. Okay, so when I'm using thick profile, so as you can see that it is cutting over to this length. Okay, so let's say I'm increasing thickness 1 value up to 10 mm. Click on the preview. So as you can see that is the neutral axis, and that is the 10 mm part, and that is 4 mm part. Okay, but you want that neutral axis will lie in the middle of the part, then click on the neutral fiber. Okay, then you can see the thickness option is great. Okay, means that 10 mm thickness one is equally distributed about the neutral fiber. Click on the OK. Okay, so this is the neutral fiber. Let's uncheck this one, click on the preview. Okay, so what is the use of merge end? When I click the merge end, then these ends will be merged up to these lines. Click on the merge end. Okay, so neutral fiber. Okay, let's say I'm defining it to dimension, and dimension value I'm defining it to 20. So click on the preview and click on the merge end. So as you can see, because that type it was creating a problem, why it is going up to here only. Okay, but our path is completely from here to here. Okay, so click on the preview and then okay. So as you can see that it is done. So thank you guys, please like my video, please click on subscribe, and also click on the notification icon for the latest update. Thank you.